Hello students, welcome to the second video of Outcomes of Democracy. In the first video we had seen among the outcomes, political outcomes we had discussed, in which we had discussed about the democracy is accountable, responsive government and it is legitimate government. Then transparency and decision making, it involves the people, so it's the outcome, it's the political outcome of democracy. Today we need to discuss two more outcomes. Let's start now. In the first video only we had seen the democracy is the government of the people, by the people, for the people, because of its best outcome. We had covered political outcomes in the first video. In this video we are concentrating two more outcomes. One, economic outcome, and second one, social outcome. So let us see what are the economic outcomes of democracy. The major economic outcome of democracy are two. One, reduction of poverty. Second one, elimination of economic inequality. I hope I need not to explain poverty. You can define poverty. Poverty is nothing but lack of resource. Most of the democratic countries are expected to reduce poverty. In our country, reducing poverty or elimination of poverty is the biggest challenge because of thickly populated country. Our country is second highly populated country next to China. Government has less resource, so poverty reduction throws a challenge. Lack of resource, then global situation, cooperation from the other countries, economic priorities. These are all many factors play an important role in reducing poverty. But significant difference is there between the democratic countries and dictatorship countries in resolving poverty. Always democratic countries better in deal with poverty. Political inequality and economic inequality are the most dangerous things in democracy. Economic inequality, the difference among the individuals in economic factors. That means a small number of ultra-rich enjoy a highly disproportionate share of wealth and income. Due to this, what happens? Rich become richer, poor become poor. And poor people, they find difficult to meet their basic needs of life, such as food, clothing, house, education, health. These are all called economic inequality. So democratic government is better in handling economic inequality. That means reducing economic inequality. The last outcome of democracy is social outcome. Once again, social outcome having two priorities. One, accommodating social diversity, and second one is providing dignity and freedom to the citizens. Democratic countries best in handling social differences. Social differences leads to violence and clash, and no society can fully and permanently resolve conflicts among the different groups, but democracy is best to handle social differences, divisions and conflicts. Democracy is not a government simply ruled by majority of opinion, but Minorities should also be given importance. It's also necessary that rule by majority does not become rule by majority community in terms of religion, race, or linguistic group. Democracy stands much superior to other forms of government for promoting dignity and freedom of the individual. Every individual wants to receive respect from fellow beings. Dignity of individual of two kinds. One, providing respect, equality among social different categories. For example, caste, religion, color. This is one kind of providing equality, dignity, or freedom. The other kind is gender equality. That means respecting women. The most distinctive feature about democracy is its outcomes: political, social, and economic. And in this video, we have seen economic outcomes and social outcomes. In democracy, people always come up with more expectations and many complaints. It shows the people have developed awareness and ability to expect and look critically at power holders. Democracy transforms the people from the status of subject into a citizens. Today, most of the individuals believe that their precious vote definitely makes a difference to the way of government is run to their own self-interest. So that's all in this video. Thank you.